In this video, I'll show you how to turn on or turn off Bluetooth on Android. So the easiest way to toggle on or toggle off Bluetooth is to simply swipe up from the very top, and then you should see tiles at the top of your Android device. As you can see, the Bluetooth tile is right here. If you don't see the Bluetooth tile immediately, you can pull down a bit more to see more tiles. And if you still don't see the Bluetooth tile, you can swipe left in the middle of your tiles to see more tiles. And you can do that again if you have the option to swipe for more tiles. I'm going to swipe to the right to go back, and then I'm going to simply tap on Bluetooth. And as you can see, currently Bluetooth is toggled off on my device. I'm going to toggle it on by tapping on Use Bluetooth. And there we go, Bluetooth is now on my device, and now I have the ability to pair a new device, or you'll be able to see a bunch of devices available for pairing. I'm going to tap on Done. Now the second way is to turn on or turn off Bluetooth through your settings. So if you don't have the tile option for turning on or turning off your Bluetooth, you can simply tap on the settings app. My settings app is on my home screen, so I'm just going to tap on it to open it. Once done, look for connected devices and tap on it. In connected devices, look for connection preferences and tap on that. In here, you should see the option for Bluetooth. Tap on that. Currently, I'm using Bluetooth. If I want to turn Bluetooth off because I don't want to use it anymore, I can simply tap on the toggle, and there we go, Bluetooth is now off. And I can tap on it again just to turn it back on. And that pretty much concludes the video on how to turn on or turn off Bluetooth on your Android device. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to give it a like, comment down below, and most importantly of all, subscribe to support the channel. I'll see you on the next video.
Why is it so hard to let you go?